Did you know that when we sneeze, we always close our eyes? It is an automatic and natural reflex. In the next few seconds, you will learn why this happens to us. First, when we sneeze, we expel air at high speed. This could damage our eyes if we kept them open. Closing our eyes protects our eyeballs from infections and particles. In addition, facial muscles contract, including the eyelids. This reflex is a wonderful defense of the human body. This reminds us how amazing our body is. So the next time you sneeze, appreciate this natural protection. Did you like this curious fact? Please like and subscribe for more interesting content.